Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Wax on, wax off. No, we're not going Daniel-san and Karate Kid and buffering up a car or anything, but Tricia Szasz of Parkville Artisans Studio is here to show us how some everyday wax, paper, and tissue can add some flair to our old candles. There's nothing I hate more than just a plain old candle.
I bet you wake up in the morning and if you see one of those sitting on the counter, you're like,
oh,
ruin my day.
Throw it out.
Ruin my day.
Get out of here. So we're going to take it next level because we don't want to throw it out. We don't want to get rid of it. We want to have some fun with it. Let's talk about what we need to get started with this little project.
Not just some fun with it, but make it a personalized gift.
Of course.
You can bring the kids in on this. The kids are going to love doing this.
Great. So definitely something for the whole family then to do. So we got to have wax paper to start.
Have wax paper. Got to have some tissue.
Tissue.
Other than that, scissors, hairdryer, markers, crayons, whatever is sitting around the house.
Okay.
The tissue is the important part, and I did most of them with just plain white tissue.
Okay.
But I happened to come across some other very cool tissues.
Yeah.
And you can see this one was just a plain white candle.
And you just kind of give
this tissue on it.
Cool design on it.
This one's got cute little flowers on it. I'd like to do a white one with this on it. That'd be cute.
Okay.
And what you're going to start with is simply some paper. I just grabbed some scraps of paper or whatever.
White paper.
I drew some things on them.
Live, laugh, love.
Yeah, you know, I did the heart, a turtle, I don't know. I just did a few fun little things. You're going to design this one. Are you ready?
I'm going to design this one.
You are.
Okay.
You are. So on this little piece of paper right here, for this candle right here, I don't know, you can put a little heart on there, you can put your kids' names on there, you can put your wife's name on there. I don't know.
All right, tell you what, I'm going to put my co-host's name on here.
Okay.
It's going to say Belinda.
Okay.
Rocks.
Ha!
Now I'm going to give it to her as a late Valentine's Day present.
Oh, you are so sweet. Okay, since we've got such a simple little piece on here, we're going to put the tissue paper over it.
Okay.
And you can put any design you want. You can even print stuff. You can print something and then put your tissue paper over the top of it. Since you can see through it, then I don't know, what color would Belinda like? Maybe
I think Belinda would like the pink.
the pink?
Yes.
Okay, let's do pink.
But if it's from me, maybe I should make it a...
Yes,
okay. She
wants
gets
pink.
thumbs up on pink.
She wants pink.
All
So
right.
since I can see through it, I'm going to copy right over the top.
All right.
And...
Oh, maybe I should have made a little bit bigger letters there, huh?
You know, you're all right.
Okay.
You're okay. This will be beautiful on there.
This is trial and error.
All right, Belinda rocks. She does, doesn't she?
Yeah, she does.
We're going to put an exclamation point on it.
Just to make sure that she rocks, really.
That's right, that's right.
It's just so everybody knows.
We don't want that to be missed.
No.
And then we're going to cut this,
Okay.
you know, just about around the piece. We are going to sit it on our...
Here, I'm going to put it over here so everybody at home can see what you're doing here.
Do. And then the wax paper is really to hold it into place.
Whoops. I'm not holding it in place there.
That's the second time you knocked stuff over here today. Causing trouble, Bill.
All right.
We're going to put the wax paper around it.
Okay.
And really, this is to hold it in place. Yeah, wax paper helps because there's wax in it and it helps make everything stick.
Yes.
But most importantly, it's there to hold tight on the back.
Okay, because you want to have it very
If it's not
tight around there.
it starts to get little bubbles underneath it.
And we don't want bubbles in our candle.
We could.
We
could.
could. If we wanted to get artsy-fartsy with it, we could.
And then all we need is a hairdryer on it.
Okay.
And we're going to start to see it get very shiny pretty quickly. And as it starts to get shiny, that means the wax is melting.
Okay.
And once the wax starts to melt, the tissue paper will kind of dissolve right into the wax. You won't even really see it anymore.
Okay, so let me ask you, then the other question is, how do you get the wax paper off of the candle?
That's a great question. You ready for that? It's real hard. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready for it.
Okay, let's do it.
Here it goes.
All right.
And boom, there it is.
There it is.
So, Belinda, in case you ever forget,
you rock.
You rock. Tricia, thank you. Thank you for being here. We appreciate the fun project. Of course, she's down Parkville Artisans Studio in downtown Parkville. All right.